If you've ever opened Photoshop just to change an image format, this is for you. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to take one image and turn it into different production-ready assets, including a vector logo, without installing any software. Designers convert formats for web, developers need WEBP, marketers need square images for ads, and everyone eventually needs an SVG logo. Normally, that means multiple tools or hours in Photoshop. This actor replaces all of that. The image converter API by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This is the example we'll use, a single PNG logo or product image. So, how does it work? The first step is to just upload the image URL, and then set up the inputs. For this output format, we'll choose the SVG and the vector, but you can choose any one you want. You choose the aspect ratio, any SVG color, and the quality you want. We'll choose lossless to maintain the quality. Once you're ready, you just click Start. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each result includes a direct download URL, the original versus converted size, dimensions, status, and timestamps, so you can prove compression savings and not guess. This actor replaces format converters, SVG tracing tools, and batch editors, all in one place. If you work with images at scale, this saves hours every week. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy this API, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.